Okay. You're probably wondering, should I dig or bury? And what is dig and what is bury? You know what? Let me have some berries. Let me eat some berries here. Some berries. Maybe you should eat some berries. You don't have to eat the berries. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is dig and what is bury, what's the difference between them, and why you should probably consider using the dig and the bury feature. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's go ahead and dive into the content right now. Now, first, I want to show you TVL. What does that mean? That means it's total value locked, and you find that right here. So before I even move forward, this is the TVL, and this is what's locked, and this is the pairing that's locked within the Wolf Claim Your Rewards area. I will go more in detail in another video only on Wolf and what that does and what that could be really good for you in the future. And in 8 days, things are going to start happening in 8 days in this feature as well. I'm going to do another video that talks more about that. Now, this video, we're going to talk about dig versus bury. Should I dig? Should I bury? And why should I do this? Now, the thing about it, though, I've used both features. And if you're brand new, you're probably confused. You're probably like, oh my God, what is staking? What is bury? Stake and bury is the same thing. And when you stake your rewards, you get a chance to earn rewards. You earn more things. For an example, if I stake and bury, actually, or stake my tokens, if I stake my bone, for an example, I'm getting an opportunity to earn rewards. And in 8 days, I'll know what's going to happen. And also, the APY is going to come soon, so I know the percentage of how much I'm earning. I'll do a video that breaks down the APY, and we'll compare results and get excited about what's happening in the staking and bury feature. Now, check this out. The reason why I like the bury feature as well, and I'll talk about the digging, is because I've got some leverage. I can unstake my bury token. So let's say I want to use these tokens for something else. All I have to do is say, all right, I want to do 25% of what's buried, because right now I'm burying 472 bone at the moment. There's no value right now because there's no numbers, no percentages numbers have not came out yet. Once that does, you're going to see your total value. That's why you need to be patient. Just be patient and wait. Things are going to happen. Now, I can unstake this and use this for something else. Let's say I want to swap it. Let's say I want to be able to dig it. And you got options you can do, which I really love the Shiba Swap area, that you can do things here that I haven't seen on any platform at this moment. I have not seen anything you can do on any platform. You can stake, you can bury, you can swap it, you can actually earn rewards. I haven't seen that. So people, listen, we're blessed. This is a really good platform and it's going to get better. Now, if I click on approve, it's going to allow me confirm on the phone. And what happens is, let me go ahead. I'll bring my phone up. Let me bring my phone up. Look at that. So look at that. 254. All I have to do is press confirm, and it's going to allow me to unstake my bone, right? That's simple. That's simple right there. So let me go ahead and do, for fun. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do, let's do it. I'm going to unstake my bone, and I'm going to do 25%. Well, let's do, I'm going to do 50. All right, I'm going to cancel this. And I'm going to stake here. I'll just do 25, right? Prove that. Confirm. I'll bring my phone up to 54 just to confirm it. It's basically feeding off my phone, so I got everything's tied in here. And let's see here. Should work. All I gotta do now, put my pin. So right now I'm unstaking what I've already had in my bury feature. So here, I'm gonna go ahead right there, and it's pending right there. So I'm gonna show you something. So right now I'm unstaking it, so I'm not earning the rewards, but I still have majority of my bone being buried or staked. So I like the berry feature because you get a chance to earn rewards. And if I go back to this, let me show you this graphic here while this is pending. It's this here. When I'm burying, so right now we're at the bone area. So the bone, I'm burying my bone and I'm earning the T-bone. You see that T-bone there? And I'll show you exactly where that's at in my actually Coinbase wallet. Matter of fact, I'm using the Coinbase wallet just to let you know, to be transparent with you. We got the messages coming in. People are messaging. People are messaging. But anyway, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I'll show you exactly where that is. So that T-bone, let's see here. I think so. Okay. Now you see the T-bone? That's what that means. That T-bone, that X-bone, you see that? That's what that is right here. See if I can make this a little bit bigger. So make that bigger. So you see this? Now that T-bone here, and you see the T-bone right there. Right there. You see the T-bone's 472. Now I don't have 472 right now. It's because now I'm unstaking 25 of that. Right? So what's happening is that I'm going to unstake it, maybe use it for something else in this training. But I get a chance to earn bone plus bone. And here's all the information, 1% of all bones per block. So I'm going to be earning more bone because this is a bone. Basically, I'm unstaking the bone. And remember, I got 472. Actually, it's less than 472. I'm going to get a chance to earn more bone. And right now, bone is worth more than Shiba. So it's good to have some bone because we don't know what the price of bone is going to be in the future. You don't know. We do not know that at this particular time. I believe it's going to be worth something, definitely. I think all the actually leash, bone, and Shiba is going to be worth something, in my opinion. Leash is already, what, $2,500 right now. Imagine that in 6 months. Think about it. Think about it. In 6 months, think about how much the price bone's going to be. Think about what the price Shiba is going to be. So just got to be patient and just actually just give it some time. So that's what the T-bone looks like when you're staking your rewards in your Coinbase wallet. Just to be very transparent with you right now. So let me go ahead and close this out. And it looks like things have been approved. Remember, I always say, look at the green success. When anytime you're doing any type of transactions, that dig went through very, very well. So it looks like, go back here. All right. I don't think it went through. Okay, let me unstake. Okay, I have to do this twice. Okay, so I unstaked it. So I have to do this twice. So I'm glad this happened because sometimes you have to do this twice. So I guess unstaking, I have to do it twice. I have to go there twice to do this. Okay, and remember we unstaked it once, then we unstake it again. And let's see now, so depending. So I'm glad this happened because I went through this earlier where I was unstaking something and then it didn't go through. Then I have to go back over it again. So I'm glad this happened because just proof that it can't, yes, you do have to do it twice sometimes. And so let's see now, there it is. You see the token's 25 and we'll see this change here. Remember it was 472. This should change to 447. This should change soon. So we'll just wait for that to change. But now it's 25. Because remember, we unstaking that 25. We're unstaking that 25. The value of 25 bones is 121, which is pretty good. Bone is worth $4.86. To me, that's a steal, not financial advice. That is a steal. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Bone is $4.80. Bone at one particular time, I remember it was like the first day when Bone got released, that thing was like almost $60. It flew up there. But anyway, it's good value. I'm sure this will update soon. Maybe it's just lagging behind. But anyway, when I'm going back to the berry versus staking feature, is that now I can use this for something else. And the reason why I would say dig versus berry, I think you should consider using them both. I can't really tell you what to do, but just kind of show you what it can do for you, right? So berry, you can just get more rewards, just like it says on this graphic right here. You just get more rewards. You just get more. I'm just saying, you just get more. If you want more Shiba, Bone, and Least, based on where you're burying this at, you're just gonna get more rewards. Let's see if it's updated on the phone yet. So I still have not updated. Let me see. Maybe I just need to. Let's see if it's done. Okay, so it's changed. Okay, so the bone's changed here. So it has. You see the bone 387. Oh wow, that's a little bit more than I thought. Okay, the bone. Let me go back here. I'm being transparent with you. And we was at the bone feature here. That's just a little bit more than I thought. Maybe it's still loading up. 387.25. Maybe it's going up. Maybe it's still kind of like circulating. Everything's kind of circling. But 447 is definitely, that's matching value there. That's a little bit higher than I thought. But it's okay. That's okay. But anyway, that's good actually. It's a little bit higher. But I think everything is gonna catch up. It's just waiting to catch up. So anyway, so bury staking, you just earn more rewards. You can gain more returns that way. So you definitely want to consider burying and staking. And it's a patient game. Now, I don't unstake often. I'm only unstaking in this training to show you that you can unstake, but you want to be able to stake it to get the rewards. I'm just telling you, being transparent with you. And the digging part here, that's how you can earn more bone. Just like that, you can earn more bone with the liquidity process here. Now, I already have a pairing already. And just like this, before you even start this area, you probably just need to read here. Liquidity providers. Let me see if I can zoom this in. Zoom it in. Liquidity providers earn returns on trade proportional to their share of the pool. Like the pool. It's like a pool of information. Pool of actually trades. Returns are added to the pool. So returns is added to the pool. So if money that I'm investing is going, or returns, or I'm getting returns, is going to the pools. And then in real time can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. So what I would do, my financial advice is that I would just start either creating a pair or adding liquidity. Now I already have a pair already. I got the SHIB versus Ethereum. And if I bring this infographic back up, let me zoom this up. I am following this right here. I'm following this here. SHIB plus Ethereum. I'm digging the LP, the liquidity pool, and then the SHIB, Ethereum, and you got the Shiba Swap liquidity pool. So if I go back here, or if I go on my phone, let's see, I'll even show you exactly where I am at. This is it right here. You see that 552? This is where the liquidity pool, and this is how you can track it on your Coinbase wallet. You can track it right there. You can track this right here. Let's see, try again. I think something got affected. But anyway, we're back. We're back. So anyway, so this is actually how much I have in the pool. And this graphic here is good. I'll have this in the, I'll try to put this in the actually description below if you don't have a copy of this. But this is really good because it kind of shows you exactly where you'd be tracking. And so I'm following this pairing here. So Bone plus SHIB plus Ethereum. So yes, you can earn some Ethereum. Actually, so I'm following this pair here. Now, since I unstake, or what I say, unstake the Bone, I actually compare the Bone and the Ethereum together and earn this. And I'm going to go ahead and try it and see if they're going to let me do it. Let's see if we can do it. We're doing it together. We're doing it together. So I'm going to try that and see how that is. So I'm going to create a pair. And I just want to see, can we do this? Can we do this? Can I do this? So remember that 25 bones that we had. Hold on. See here. They let me. If they let me. Let's see, maximal. Okay, approve the bone. All right. Let me see if they approve it. Oh, okay. I got to confirm on the phone again. So how would that confirm stuff? Let's see if how much. I'm see if I have enough. Okay, confirm. I'm going to confirm this. And then it's probably asking for my PIN, which it is. There it is. Confirm again. Weird. So it's asking me to confirm it twice. Okay. Yes, I'm enjoying it. No, thank you. I'll take this out. improving bone. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to follow, at least the plan is to follow this pairing here. Let's just see. And it says approving bone. It's pending twice. I click on there and they're trying to improve bone here. So we'll see what happens here. So the whole idea of this, oh, approve. So now supply, this is how much Ethereum bone I'll be doing. And this is all the information. Ethereum deposit is this. This is how much bone being deposited, the rates, the bone, and the share of the pool. Confirm that. Remember, going back to my phone, confirm here, pay that. Always have enough Ethereum. I would just tell you, make sure you have enough Ethereum than when you're doing the transaction. But the miner fees are very, very low. Woof. So now we've got a new pairing. So now we got the Ethereum and bone pairing. It's pending here. And going back to the graphics here, we're following this here. We're following that right there. And it says we're good to go. Let's look for the green success. The green success. And I'm going really slow. I hope I'm not going too fast for you. And let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. And it should be a new pairing. So now I've got a second pairing here in the liquidity pool. And so now it's very simple. You say if you don't see a pool, you join importing. So you can import a pool that you've used on a different platform or a different area. But more than likely, you're going to use this port here. Liquidity provider rewards. And the whole thing about digging is earning rewards. Earning. That's the whole point of digging and burying. It's the whole point of it. You're just trying to earn rewards. You're just trying to earn. You're trying to earn. This is another way of you can earn more rewards. Now with the bone in Ethereum, I just press manage and I get a chance to see exactly what's happening. This is total pool tokens that I have in the pool. The pool bone, this is how much, I put in there. And this is how much Ethereum I put in there. I can always add more bone in Ethereum. So that means I need to get more bone and more Ethereum. Make sure I have that in there. And I can always add more is there. I can remove it too. So you can remove it from this. If you say, you know what, I'll remove it off my liquidity. Or after liquidity, the returns, all this, I remove it there, but I'm going to keep it in there. So basically that is the training over that. You can dig for bones. You can earn more rewards. You can earn more things by providing liquidity with Ethereum. That's the thing with digging. With burying, if you got a bunch of SHIB, you got some SHIB, just stake your SHIB, unstake your SHIB, you'll get a chance to earn rewards. I would basically consider using them both and see what works best for you, because this is still, kind of new. But to see what works for you, just give it some time. You know what? And your returns take some time. So don't expect immediately returns. This is more of a longer term process. It's more of a longer term process right now. Now, it could change in the future. That's a little bit more short term. But what I'm seeing here, it's more of a longer term aspect of it, because it's all about providing returns for you in the long run. So when you're digging and burying, rewards is happening. It's happening. The same thing with these other two as well, with the fetch and the wolf. I will go more in detail about those features as well. And also swap. We'll talk about swap. Swap is exactly what it is. You're swapping one token to another. So I'll go more deep into swapping as well on another video. I hope you like that. Dig versus bury. What I prefer, I like them both. I'm trying them both. I'm trying to see what works best for me. And I'm doing this video to help works best for you. So burying, I'm going to have another berry here. Oh, it's good berries in the morning. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this. And I'll see you on the next video. If you don't have Shiba, you can click on the link below. I do have a 𝐿-Coin link. You can get it on there, or crypto.com, or just go to Binance. There's so many places you can get Shiba, but get your Shiba and let's see what happens after that. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.